Hi, I am so glad you're here. Thanks for stopping into my page. My name is Ariel Lutz, and I just want to give you guys a little information about me and what you can expect to learn here. So, I've been in the digital marketing space for a year and a half now. I grew up competitively ice skating, and so I coach ice skating part time. But guess what? The income just wasn't enough, and my back was saying it was done with skating. It was time to start cutting back. So, I decided to get into the digital marketing space where I learned all these amazing skills that I now get to help people start and grow ministries online. But even better, I get to help people also make extra income on the side. Sometimes they go on to replace their income, and not with just digital marketing, but they can learn travel agency. You can learn how to be a virtual assistant, Airbnb, stocks, how to be a trained lash technician. Guys, there is so much that you can learn from home in the comfort of your own time around your normal daily activities. And yes, guys, it is possible to create an income online, guys. And I am just so excited to be able to share all this with you. Feel free at any time to email me back. I am here to help you. Feel free to ask questions. I want to help answer your questions and help you set you up on your journey so you can have the success and reach your goals, your dreams, and what you feel called to for your life. So thanks again for being here, and I can't wait to get to know more about you.